boy the guy back in the building. And today we got something different. Most of y'all probably know what game this is. Oh, we playing Dragon Ball Legends today. So, yeah, this looks a little bit weird. Y'all can't tell. It looks normal to y'all, but I can see it. It looks weird. But I would just PvPing. We're gonna do a little bit of PvP, but I want to get into this story real quick because I want to get some new characters. Cause I got pretty good characters though. Well, one character that's really good, but I realize now that to be honest, it don't even matter what character you got, bro. Cause when I first unlocked PvP, which I just did like 3 days ago, cause I used to play this game, but I hated how much dialogue there was. Like, not dialogue, but how much it teaches you how to play the game. So I was like, I'm not finna play this. So then I uninstalled it, but I got it back. Now I'm really enjoying playing it. So, but yeah, so I just unlocked what's his name? Toppo. That's the best character I got. Oh snap! Hold up. That's the best character I got right now. I'll show y'all all my characters, but this is the best character I got, bro. So we finna cook up. But I was just on the PvPs and somebody cooked me, even with top. But like, I realized that the characters don't matter, cause all I had when I first got my PvPs, I had already unlocked some characters, but they were still trash. So I was PvPing with. This was every round I played. I PvP'd with only 3 people: Shallot, the main character of the game, Shallot, Gohan, and Goku Super Saiyan 2, I believe. Yeah, Super Saiyan 2. Yo, but Gohan is mad OP, bro. Because bro, he got like two but he got like 2 moves where he doesn't die. Like he got two moves where Piccolo saves him. And if that be clutching sometimes. Bro, the baby got cooked. Yo, what is that health? Why is their health so high? Oh, those characters is just trash on them. Okay. Yeah, let me get my Rise and Rush. That was a waste of a Kamehameha, bro. I gotta do it. I gotta do my Rise and Rush, bro. Bro, he was cooking me. Hakai. Yeah, give him that Hakai word. You ain't finish it. Okay, maybe he is finishing. Oh my god, he's cooking. Yup. Goofy bot, bro. Bing bong ba 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 boo. Ba 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 ba. Who you touching on, bro? Like, who told you to hit me with key? Goofy. You don't get your my goofy gooper looking at it out there, bro. Come catch this Kamehameha real quick. Smoked all three of them. One character. I can't lose. Mm, 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 Run up them levels. Music to my ears. Yeah, I'm finna put. Nah, her. I'm finna put Gohan back in because Kid Gohan is just so he's nasty, bro. Like, oh, hold up. Is this music copyright? Let me find out. I better not record this video and then I better not get ready to upload this video and then it got copyright, bro. Cause the last video I just tried to make got copyrighted, bro. That joint made me mad. So. Shut up, Top. Bro, baby's not cooking. Should I put Turtles in? Here, I haven't used her before. I haven't used him before. I had him for Little Romeo too, and I haven't used him. And I haven't used Turtles. I just got Turtles though. I haven't used him yet. I haven't used him yet. I haven't used her yet. I just got her. And I ain't used him. I've been had him for a little. No, actually, no, I did use him. I'm capping. Okay, so, yeah, I have to put y'all down here for a little bit. So, okay. I'm about to, okay, so Top, stay Goku out for a second. Top, then Super Saiyan Goku, then Gohan. Turtles. Should I give Shaolin another chance? Come on, Shaolin, but you better than okay. Yeah, save. Bro, this is my trash character slot. This is my trash character party right here. But you. Hey, don't try to run from me. Y'all know exactly where y'all belong. If you know you belong there, just don't give me trouble and put your... What happened? Don't give me trouble and just put yourself in there. Oh, you can name it. Perfect. Okay. This is gonna be the Goku family. Gotta put Krillin in the Goku family. Turtles. Nah. Goku fan. Yep. Perfect. Who asked? I'm finna run up them PvPs real quick. Y'all know that's what y'all been waiting for. Nah, look me dead in my eye. Tell me that's not what you've been waiting for. Tell me. Ding, ding, ding. I gotta see what they working with. Let's see what they working with before. Although I know who I'm gonna probably pick already, but yep. Let me get my S tier squad. Hold up. That's how we can do that. Now let's see if we can take this dub. Now I know you see that they got all of them nice people, but look, bro, they got all them nice people, but they can still lose. Cause, bro, I've been winning against people that got way better characters than me, like Goku Black. No, actually, I want to get somebody that had the same loadout. It was Vegito. It was Vegito, the same as like Trunks. And I think it was Goku Black too. And I beat that person like 2 times, I think. Well, I beat somebody with that same loadout of the first person I just said. Like, it was Trunks, Vegito, and Goku Black, I think. And then I beat another person with Trunks, Vegito, and Goku Black. Bing bong bong. Bonk 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 bonk. Bonk bonk. I'm charging up for that comment, man. How freaking you talking about? Ha! Dang it. I knew it, bruh. Oh no, I gotta hit my Rise and Rush. No! Top. You're supposed to be the strongest on the team. How did you lose? And how did Vegito get more help? Shut up. Sock him in his job. Bing, bonk, bonk, bing, 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 bonk. Oh, you not gonna switch out? Oh, he gangster. That I hate that Vegito got that move. Trust me, guys. I fought many Vegitos. That's bull. Come on. Bro, how does he have more health again? Bro is really Bro really making me angry. Bro, nobody cares about your power-ups. Get stuck in the jawline. Goodbye. Oh yeah, I'm finna win. Nah, you're cooked. You're cooked. You're cooked. Now watch this. Watch how I cook Vegito. Oh, go ahead. Go ahead. Yup. You thought I was dead, huh? You really thought I was dead. That's 100%. You ain't touching that, bro. That's just what I do. That's just what I do. That's what I do. Bro, did you see the comeback? The comeback. I didn't even use top failed me. He died in 2 seconds. Bro, he died in 2.0 seconds. He gave me a run for my money though, so hold up, don't mind me. Yup. jam out to the music that's probably gonna copyright me, but it's all good. It's all good. But it's not actually good. I really do hope this isn't copyright. Oh, hold up. Oh. Hold up. Do I got the cell games? No, it's not unlocked. Dang. Let me go home. What about the Tournament of Power? Oh, main story. Book 8, chapter 7. I know. Okay. Book 8, chapter. Okay. So I'm finna grind. I'm finna grind them. Yo, I'm about to make this into a series. This is Dragon Ball Legends episode 1. Now, I already started the story a little bit, as you can see. I'm on the main story part 2, but y'all could come with me through the rest of the adventure. Okay, Goku wanna get in there? Wait, is that Goku or is that Gohan? I can't tell. I forgot. I think it's Goku. I'm pretty sure it's Goku. Hold up. If you want let me stop singing before I get smacked up. I hope y'all didn't just hear that. I just made some nasty noises, bro. Good and I need to know, how is Toppo getting one tap like that? And he's doing no damage. I thought Toppo was supposed to be strong, bro. He's mad weak in this game. Of course Goku have an advantage against Frieza. He's dead. Goku's dead. Bro, these NPCs is getting too strong. These NPCs getting too strong for even a veteran like me. Yeah, I might make this a series, but I don't know. I might not. Don't matter. Like I said, I wasn't even playing this game like that much anyway, so I don't know. Goodbye. I can't lose. Wait, it said book 8, chapter 7, right? I'm only on book 1, chapter 5. The grind is real. Trying to think, what should I do? I'm trying to think if I should. I think I'm gonna do one more, but I don't know. Yeah, I think I'm gonna play one more game for y'all and then end it. And then I might even record part 2 a little bit later. Might give it part 2 same day. I don't know for sure, but I'm most likely gonna record one more. I'm most likely gonna play one more game for you. I don't know if I want to do PvP or I want to keep doing the story. And also, if this video get copyright, I'm gonna do PvP. If this video get copyright, I'm gonna tell y'all all about it. And I'm gonna tell y'all all about it. I'm gonna record again. I'm gonna tell y'all all about what happened. And I'm gonna record again. I'm gonna try to figure out a way how to mute the music. Bro, Toppo's supposed to be strong. That's the only thing I don't get. What is this? Rage. All these are all the characters that got rage moves. I mean, not move. All the characters that got rage. Look at him. That country android. That was horrible. I'm so sorry. Full body view. Oh nah. How come Charlotte don't got no? I mean, I haven't been playing for that long, but is Charlotte gonna get Super Saiyan, bro? Cause I really want him to. I love Charlotte. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna hit y'all with one more PvP, and then yeah. I'm not gonna do the regular battle. I'm gonna do this thing. I could probably get some good loot out of this. I kind of want to use turtles, but I don't know. Well, if that's Charlotte, all I could really do is play Charlotte, right? Look, Charlotte, he got Super Saiyan Goku. I'm gonna put Super Saiyan Goku. Should I do Top? I'm doing Gohan because Top been failing me, bro. My leader is like, oh, yeah, cause I took Charlotte off as a leader. Okay. Should I put Charlotte back in as a leader? He tricked me! I thought he was gonna use his Charlotte! He tricked me! He tricked me good! He tricked me dirtily! Oh no! No! Hey yo, he tricked me so bad that I'm yawning. What the? Bro, I'm not gonna lie. I'm probably finna lose, bro. I'm finna lose. I'm finna lose. One thumbs up, guys, and I won't lose. Yeah. I don't know if y'all knew, but if you give me a thumbs up, I'll turn Super Saiyan. I mean IRL, bro. Oh my god. This game is so trash. I gotta do it, bro. He ain't never gonna expect this one. Nobody cares about your ultimate technique. And don't this move actually take damage on you? Yeah. Bro, every character I got is dead. Bro, all of his characters still got like full health, bro. And I hate when they switch like that, bro. Like, use one character. Use one character till that character die, bro. They really be scared. They really be like, I won by 2, bro. They really be like, oh, I'm finna die. Let me switch out, bro. I play my character to the end. I'm dead. But luckily, Kid Gohan got that. That's what I was talking about, bro. That ain't so OP. I was been supposed to be dead. Come on, can I clutch this? Look, if I could do this, right? Okay. Yep. Oh my. It hurts. I need. Bro, why you had to be extra with it? How do you even do that? How do you even do a legendary finish? I knew I should, bro. I just got embarrassed on YouTube. I knew I should have just, what's it called? What's it called? I knew I should have just went on story mode, bro. I knew it, bro. I knew I should have just recorded one more story mode and then left it alone, bro. Well, y'all saw what happened there, so, yeah, y'all saw what happened there. The god out.